Welcome to the breathtaking American Samoa, an unincorporated territory of the United States nestled within the vast expanse of the South Pacific Ocean. Here, amidst a tapestry of emerald isles and sapphire waters, nature unfolds in its most pristine and awe-inspiring forms. Known for its tropical climate, lush rainforests, volcanic landscapes, and rich marine biodiversity, American Samoa is a paradise for nature lovers and eco-tourists. Join us now as we venture into this untouched Eden and discover the hidden wonders that await. American Samoa, a jewel of the Pacific, is an archipelago sculpted by volcanism and the ocean. 5 main islands rise: Tutuila, Unuu, Ofu, Olosega, and Tau. Tutuila, the largest, is home to Pago Pago, the vibrant capital. Rugged peaks and emerald rainforests cascade to the sea. Coastal cliffs stand as silent sentinels, sculpted by waves. Beneath the waves, vibrant coral reefs teem with life. In the Pacific, where fire meets water, American Samoa endures. In the heart of this Pacific paradise, a commitment to conservation reigns supreme. The National Park of American Samoa, established in 1988, stands as a testament to this dedication. It encompasses over 9,000 acres across Tutuila, Ta'u, and Ofu. The park safeguards lush rainforests and vibrant coral reefs. Towering trees and exotic birds thrive here. Beneath the waves, colorful coral reefs teem with life. Sea turtles glide gracefully through crystal-clear waters. Cultural demonstrations offer insight into Samoan traditions. Prepare to be captivated by the underwater realm of American Samoa, a world teeming with life and bursting with color. The islands are renowned for their marine biodiversity, a symphony of life playing out beneath the surface of the crystal-clear waters. Ofu Island, a jewel amongst jewels, is particularly celebrated for its underwater ecosystems. Schools of vibrantly colored fish, their scales shimmering in the sunlight that penetrates the water's surface, dart in and out of the coral, a mesmerizing underwater ballet. Sea turtles, ancient mariners, grace these waters with their presence, gliding effortlessly through the coral gardens. Manta rays, with their enormous wingspans, glide through the water like underwater birds of prey, their mouths agape as they filter plankton from the current. Eagle rays, their spotted wings a work of art, soar over the seabed, their movements a mesmerizing dance. Hard corals, their skeletons built over centuries by tiny polyps, create a complex three-dimensional structure that provides shelter and sustenance for a myriad of creatures. Emerging from the turquoise waters, the islands themselves are cloaked in a rich tapestry of life. Tropical forests, lush and verdant, blanket the volcanic slopes, their emerald embrace reaching down to the very edge of the sea. Rainforests, those cathedrals of nature, dominate the landscape, their towering canopies filtering the sunlight that nourishes the forest floor. Giant ferns unfurl their fronds, creating a prehistoric ambience, while orchids, their delicate blooms a testament to nature's artistry, cling to the branches of ancient trees. Along the coast, mangroves, those masters of adaptation, stand sentinel at the water's edge, their tangled roots providing a nursery for fish and a haven for crabs and other crustaceans. The Samoan fruit bat, a denizen of the night, plays a vital role in the rainforest, pollinating flowers and dispersing seeds as it flits through the canopy. Bird life abounds in this avian paradise. The white-tailed tropic bird, its long tail feathers trailing behind it like streamers, soars effortlessly above the canopy, a symbol of freedom and grace. Water, that lifeblood of the planet, courses through the heart of American Samoa, carving its way across the volcanic landscape and shaping the very essence of these islands. Stunning waterfalls, especially on the island of Tutuila, cascade down verdant cliffs, their thunderous roar a testament to the power of nature. Perhaps the most iconic of these watery wonders is the Nu'uli waterfall, a towering cascade that plunges over a sheer cliff face into a pool of cool, inviting water. Surrounded by lush rainforests, the air alive with the sound of birdsong and the gentle hum of insects, it is a place of tranquility and beauty. Rivers, those liquid veins, snake their way through the valleys, their waters a source of life for the surrounding rainforest. Pago Pago Bay, a picturesque coastal area on the island of Tutuila, showcases the dramatic interplay between land and sea. Streams, their waters cascading over rocks and fallen logs, feed into the bay, creating a symphony of sound and motion. Step ashore onto the pristine beaches of American Samoa and you'll discover a world where the land meets the sea in a harmonious embrace. Fine white sand, soft as silk beneath your feet, stretches out before you, kissed by the gentle caress of turquoise waters. Coconut palms sway lazily in the tropical breeze, their fronds casting dappled shadows on the sand, inviting you to relax and soak in the beauty of your surroundings. Many of these idyllic beaches are cradled within the protective embrace of national parks or reserves, ensuring their pristine condition for generations to come. Ofu Beach on the island of Ofu is a prime example of American Samoa's unspoiled beauty. This crescent-shaped beach, often hailed as one of the most beautiful in the world, boasts powdery white sand, crystal clear waters, and a backdrop of lush green hills. Exploring the coastline by kayak or boat reveals hidden coves and sea caves, their entrances guarded by towering rock formations. American Samoa basks in the embrace of a tropical climate, where warm temperatures and balmy breezes are the norm. Year-round, the islands are bathed in sunshine, making it an ideal destination for those seeking a tropical escape. From November to April, the wet season brings life-giving rains to the islands. Waterfalls, swollen by the rains, cascade down the volcanic slopes with renewed vigor, their thunderous roar echoing through the valleys. May to October marks the dry season, a time when the sun shines brightly and the humidity is lower. The tropical climate of American Samoa is not just about pleasant temperatures and sunny days. It plays a vital role in shaping the island's unique ecosystems. In American Samoa, the boundaries between culture and nature blur, interwoven as seamlessly as the threads of a finely woven mat. For the Samoan people, the land and the sea are not merely resources to be exploited. They are the very essence of their identity, their history, and their spirituality. This deep connection is evident in every aspect of Samoan life, from the traditional fail or houses built with natural materials and open to the elements, to the intricate tattoos that adorn the bodies of many Samoans, their designs often inspired by the natural world. Fishing, a way of life passed down through generations, is more than just a means of sustenance. It is a sacred practice, steeped in tradition and respect for the ocean and its creatures. Taro, breadfruit and bananas flourish in the fertile volcanic soil, providing the staples of the Samoan diet. Cultural parks and heritage sites across the islands offer visitors a glimpse into this rich tapestry of culture and nature. For those seeking adventure, American Samoa is a playground waiting to be explored. From hiking through lush rainforests to diving into the depths of the Pacific Ocean, there are endless opportunities to connect with nature and create unforgettable memories. Lace up your hiking boots and hit the trails that crisscross the islands, leading you through dense rainforests, past cascading waterfalls, and up to breathtaking vistas. The Rainmaker Mountain Trail on Tutuila Island is a must-do, offering panoramic views of Pago Pago Harbour and the surrounding islands. American Samoa's coral reefs are teeming with life, offering some of the best snorkeling and scuba diving in the world. Swim alongside colourful fish, encounter graceful sea turtles, and marvel at the intricate beauty of the coral itself. No matter how you choose to explore, American Samoa's natural wonders are sure to leave a lasting impression. As our journey through the natural wonders of American Samoa draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and inspiration. These islands, a symphony of volcanic peaks, verdant rainforests, and vibrant coral reefs, stand as a testament to the Earth's boundless capacity for beauty and biodiversity. American Samoa is a tropical paradise that offers a wealth of natural beauty. From its vibrant coral reefs and pristine beaches to its lush rainforests and volcanic landscapes, the territory boasts incredible ecological diversity. Whether you're exploring the National Park of American Samoa, hiking to waterfalls, or diving in crystal clear waters, there is something for every nature enthusiast in this Pacific gem. We hope that our exploration has ignited within you a desire to experience the magic of American Samoa firsthand.